Hello, my name's Camille, and today we're making a project! It's my project!
And what's your name?
Eve!
Hello everybody, my name is Casey and I am Camille and Eve's mom. And for this project, it's great because it's a do-it-yourself thing and you probably have most of the things that you need around the house or in the house. Actually, we have all of them. The first one you'll need is a vase. And you'll need some floating candles. I actually have these from 10 years ago from our wedding. And then we have to go find acorns and jars and leaves. So here we go. What's the first thing we're going to do now?
Look for leaves!
Yes, you got your bag and ready to go. Look for leaves! You're excited?
Yes! Yeah. Big, nice soup. The leaf saying hello.
Love it. Not a good one?
Oh,
So there is one thing we didn't have at our house that we had to go get, but for that we headed to this city park. Camille, what are we going to go get?
acorn!
You excited, Evie?
Yeah!
What do you have, Camille?
Where are you? Acorn. Is that an oak tree?
Maybe, let's go check.
The acorn.
You guys, here's part of an acorn. Oh! Look what I found!
Look what I found!
You found an even better one. Yay! Now we're finding them. Okay, everybody, so now we found all of our stuff, right? We have our acorns.
Acorn.
And we have a whole bag full of leaves. Okay, so the first step, girls, is an easy one now. We'll get some water and we'll fill our jars up with a little bit of water, right?
Yeah. That's my water.
Yep, keep going. You're going to want a lot more than that, hun. 3/4 full. That's the acorn you're going to put in there, Eve?
Yes.
You get it?
He's swimming. He's swimming.
He's swimming. He's swimming.
He's swimming.
Okay, so I'm going to do this bigger vase to see how this looks. Put some leaves in there. Do a different variety of leaves.
Thanks for watching our videos. Like the video, thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.